Hello everyone, so this is Moria again, and today I learn about the adopter pattern and what this pattern says. Before doing that, before learning that, let's understand what kind of problem it is trying to solve. So basically, suppose we have to create a checkout service that will be implementing a payment gateway. So I have various types of payment gateways: Stripe, Razorpay, or some other things. So for that, I have implemented Stripe for my payment gateway integration. So how does this look? Whenever I click on the checkout service, it will go to the interface of the payment gateway, and that payment gateway is being implemented by the Stripe. If I have to add Razorpay, I will just add here Razorpay. This is what my thought process will be initially. Yeah, I think I'm right. Hmm, correct. So, but the Stripe, remember, Stripe is a separate third party, so it has a method pay. But if there is a razor pay, it might be possible that it has a separate name for the same API, because these are different. So I have firstly created this Stripe, so I have written the name pay here in my interface. Now suppose after some time I have to shift it from the Stripe to the Razorpay. But here the problem is the Razorpay has not the pay method but create payment method for the same task. So I cannot just implement this. So what will be the problem with that? I cannot change the method of the Razorpay. Yeah, that's correct. I cannot change this. I also cannot change this method because I have to change everywhere where this method is present. Hmm. Correct, correct, correct. Everywhere I have to change. So what I have to do now? I have to find the solution for this problem. If I find this solution, then I understand what adopter pattern is. So the problem that I'm facing is how can I implement this pay method, but I have this create payment method. One possible solution that I can think of is I can just implement this method using another class, and in this class I call this create method. In that way I can just solve my problem. Let's again see. I'm saying that this is the thing that is implemented earlier. I'm saying that let's create another class that will be implementing this pay method, and in this pay method I will call this make payment method. In such way I have not to change this, and it is implemented as it is. So yeah, this is what adapter pattern is. I am not implementing the pay method directly. I am creating an interface or an adapter through which I am running this method. Let's again see it clearly. So whenever a user will click on the create or checkout, it will first call the checkout service. The checkout service will be using the interface, and the interface is being implemented by two things: the Stripe and the Razorpay adapter. And this Razorpay adapter wraps this Razorpay. So my flow will be like this. So this is what adapter pattern is. It adapts to the situation. Okay, matlab, how will I define it? Let's see. How can I define it? What is what is adapter pattern? Uh, Uh, Adapter pattern is a structural design pattern that allows object with incapable, incapable, incompatible interface to collaborate by converting one interface into another that client expect. This is what we have done here. Okay, so this is from my side. Bye bye.